Hey guys, what is up? It's Cameron back once again bringing you guys a brand new video. Today we're going to be reviewing a Bluetooth speaker from Havit. This is their brand new E30 Bluetooth wireless speaker. This speaker retails on their website for $99. And today the ultimate goal of this video is to show you guys all the features, give you guys an audio quality test to show you exactly how it sounds like, and ultimately answer the question, is it worth your money? So if you're interested in checking it out further, visit the links in the description down below. I'll have a link to their website and to the Amazon listing so you can purchase one if you are interested. But let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I'll show you what comes in the box and we'll go on from there. Alright, so inside the box you're going to get a couple things. The first thing being a little bit of literature, just tells you more about the speaker, how to set it up and everything, and all the specs on it. And then also a service card. You can mail this in to register the speaker and get service if you do need it. Additionally, you're going to get a carabiner which attaches to the speaker. This makes it easy just to carry it along with your luggage or attach it to your backpack or something. If you're hiking, for example, you could have it attached to your backpack and carry it along with you during the hike. And then finally, the last two things you're going to get is going to be the auxiliary input right there. It's got an audio to audio cable. Some speakers nowadays don't even include this, like they don't have an aux input. So I'm a huge fan of just having an aux put available, even though I don't use it all the time. Just having it available is super nice. And then finally, you're going to get a USB to micro USB cable, and this is obviously just used to charge the speaker. So other than that, that's all you're going to get in the box. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the speaker, and then I'll give you guys an audio test. Alright, so this is a closer look at the speaker. I think aesthetically it looks like a very nice speaker. It's got a nice matte, soft touch feel to it, and then obviously it has a speaker grill across the sides, almost 360 degrees, but not quite. On the front you have a couple different buttons, the first one being the power button right here. Obviously you hold this down to turn it on. It's going to give you a little notification to let you know it's on. And that will just let you know that the speaker is powered on, and then when you shut it off it also makes a little noise. So you know it's powered off, which is good. It also has LED indicators right there to tell you what the power level is, so you can always check that if you don't know. Then additionally it has volume up, volume down buttons, and then a play and pause button which you can use to actually answer the phone as well. And then finally an EQ button which actually adjusts the bass to be a little more intensive, or if you want to turn it off then it obviously can decrease the bass and just go back to standard mode. Then at the front, on the top, we have a little loop right here. This is where you can attach the carabiner to carry it with you. And then finally on the back, the only other thing we have is going to be the auxiliary input, the micro USB input, and then also a USB input which you can use to charge your phone and stuff. So if you wanted to power your phone or something, you can have something USB running out of here to power your phone, and then obviously the micro USB input to charge the device itself. So it works as a charger as well as a speaker, so it's really a 2-for-1 type thing. But other than that, really nothing else on the speaker. It's pretty self-explanatory, pretty straightforward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Bluetooth this up to my phone, and I'll give you guys a quick audio test so you can see what the sound quality is like. Alright, so we are Bluetoothed up to the device. I'm going to play some music for you guys to listen to so you can get an idea of what it sounds like. Keep in mind this is recorded with my microphone, so it's not 100% realistic, but it'll give you an idea of exactly what it sounds like. And now I turn on the EQ settings, so this will give you an idea of what it sounds like with the bass boosted just a little bit. Alright guys, so that just gives you an idea of what the speaker sounds like with the EQ on and with it off. Overall, I think that this is actually a fantastic Bluetooth speaker. I love the fact that it has a 5200 milliamp backup battery built into it. It's IPX7 rated. The audio sounds really good with the EQ. The bass sounds really good. I think overall it's a very dynamic speaker. It offers a lot for really not that expensive when you look at other speakers on the market. At only $99, it's really less than a lot of speakers on the market. I think it sounds just as good. So if you're interested in buying a Bluetooth speaker right now, I think that the E30 from Havit is definitely one to check out. Like I said, it looks good, it sounds good, it offers a lot of different features, and it's waterproof. So I really don't think you can go wrong with this speaker. If you're interested in checking it out further, like I said, visit the links in the description down below. I'll have a link to their website where you can look and decide if you want to purchase it. But from my experience after using this for quite some time, I really like this speaker. I think it sounds good, offers a lot of features, and it really is a good bang for your buck. So that's really all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. Leave a like rating if you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section down below if there's any other speakers that I need to check out and review for you guys. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a great day. See ya.